Well, of my cricketing experience. Well, all you hear where your boy get fame for my magnificent performance. The other day in a cricket game, and it a Fox decided to play me. One single wicket competition. Well, it's the first time, friends, let me tell you, I ever proved myself as a man. Had me batting good preparation. Oh gosh, man, if you see me, so could oil I get from China, man. Oh gosh, man, if you see me, and wrong the batter put on some rubbers. Oh gosh, man, if you see me, a tickling the ball along in the corner. Oh gosh, man, if you see me. Play cheating one or Martin. So we did mad was to spin a toss. We should hear her Juanita bragging. For more than 5 minutes she get lost. But when I took a peep at the wicket, it had no grass, not a single piece. See, batting condition is perfect. So I bend and I fix me bat in the crease. See, today here is leather hunting. Oh gosh, man, if you see me in front and behind, the wicket are scoring. Oh gosh, and if you see me, 1 or 2 shots are playing like Lara. Oh gosh, man, if you see me, a cutting and a driving straight in she cover. Oh gosh, and if you see me. After 90 minutes fatiguing, the ball gets off, all the red is gone. Anita tired, so she's sweating. Bowling slow ball could hardly turn. I feeling fit, me bat in good order. Not a bruise, a scrape or a scratch. And as I going out to bust the leather, rain come